A small dog, alone in the park. No owner, no home, just a little dog, lost and scared. This is the story of Max and the girl who changed his life. This is a beginner English story. Listen carefully. Enjoy. This is an A1 to A2 level story. I will speak slowly and clearly. The vocabulary is simple. You will understand every word. And at the end, there's a special vocabulary moment just for you. Let's begin. It was a Saturday morning. The sun was shining. The sky was blue. A young girl named Emma walked through the park. She was 10 years old. She loved the park. It was her favorite place. Emma walked slowly. She looked at the trees. She looked at the flowers. Everything was beautiful. Suddenly, she heard a sound. A small sound. What is that? She thought. She stopped walking. She listened carefully. There was again a soft cry. Emma followed the sound. She walked behind a big tree. And there, she saw him. A small brown dog. He was sitting alone. He looked scared. His fur was dirty. His eyes were sad. "Hello, little dog," Emma said softly. The dog looked at her, but he did not move. He was afraid. Emma sat down on the ground. She did not want to scare him. She smiled. "It's okay," she said. "I won't hurt you." The dog watched her. Slowly, very slowly, he moved closer. Emma did not move. She waited. Finally, the dog came to her. He smelled her hand. Then he sat down next to her. "You're lost, aren't you?" Emma said. The dog had no collar, no name tag, nothing. "Where's your home?" she asked. But the dog just looked at her with sad eyes. Emma felt worried. "You can't stay here alone," she said. "It's not safe." She looked around the park. There were no people nearby. No one was looking for the dog. "Okay," Emma said. "I will help you." She stood up carefully. "Come with me," she said. The dog followed her. Emma walked home. The dog walked beside her. He stayed close. He trusted her. When they arrived at Emma's house, she opened the door. "Mom," she called. "Mom, come here." Her mother came to the door. She saw the dog. "Emma, where did you find this dog?" her mother asked. "In the park, Mom. He was alone. He has no collar. I think he is lost." Emma's mother looked at the little dog. He looked tired and hungry. "Okay," she said. "Bring him inside. We will give him some food and water." Emma smiled. She was so happy. Inside the house, Emma gave the dog a bowl of water. The dog drank quickly. He was very thirsty. Then Emma's mother gave him some food. The dog ate everything. He was very hungry. "Poor little thing," Emma's mother said. "He was probably lost for a long time." After eating, the dog lay down on the floor. He closed his eyes. Finally, he felt safe. "What should we do now, Mom?" Emma asked. "We should look for his owner," her mother said. "Someone is probably looking for him." So Emma and her mother made posters. The posters had a picture of the dog. They wrote, "Found dog. Small brown dog. Found in the park." They put their phone number at the bottom. They put the posters around the neighborhood. On trees. On walls. Everywhere. Then they waited. 1 day passed. No one called. 2 days passed. Still no one called. 3 days passed. Nothing. Emma started to feel sad. "Maybe no one wants him," she said. But her mother said, "Be patient, Emma. Someone will call." On the 4th day, the phone rang. Emma's mother answered. "Hello." "Hello," a voice said. "I saw your poster. I think that's my dog." Emma's heart jumped. She felt happy, but also a little sad. A few hours later, a man came to their house. He was an old man. He looked kind. When the dog saw the man, he started jumping and wagging his tail. He was so happy. "Max," the old man said, "I've been looking everywhere for you." The dog, Max, licked the man's face. He was so excited. The old man looked at Emma. "Thank you so much," he said. "Max ran away 4 days ago. I was so worried. I'm glad we found you," Emma said. But her voice was quiet. The old man noticed. He smiled. "You took good care of him, didn't you?" Emma nodded. "Yes. I gave him food and water. And I kept him safe." "You are a very kind girl," the old man said. Then he looked at Max. He looked at Emma. You know, he said, I am very old, and Max is a very active dog. Sometimes, I think he needs a friend. Someone young. Someone who can play with him. Emma's eyes opened wide. Really? The old man smiled. Would you like to visit Max sometimes? You can come to my house. You can play with him. You can take him for walks. Emma's face lit up. Yes. Yes, I would love that. Her mother smiled too. That's very kind of you, she said. And so, Emma made a new friend. 2 new friends, actually, Max the dog, and the kind old man. Every Saturday, Emma visited them. She played with Max in the park. She took him for long walks. And Max was never lost again. Now, let's learn some vocabulary from a story. The first word is lost. Lost means you cannot find your way. You don't know where you are. In the story, Max was lost in the park. Have you ever been lost? It's a scary feeling. The second word is worried. Worry means you feel nervous or afraid about something. Emma was worried about the dog. The old man was worried when Max ran away. When you feel worried, think about it. The third word is safe. Safe means no danger. Protected. Secure. Max felt safe when he was with Emma. It's important to feel safe. Good job. You learned 3 new words today. And that is the end of our story. What did you think? Did you like Emma? Did you like Max? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. If you want more stories like this, please subscribe to Storytime English. Every week, I share new stories. Beginner stories, intermediate stories, and advanced stories. There is a story for everyone. Thank you for listening. Keep learning. Keep practicing. I will see you in the next story. Goodbye.